Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 S550 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a V8 twin turbo pushing out 449 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package, which is going to give you the sports body styling. 19-inch AMG 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. A nut brown Napa black leather interior. Panorama sunroof. This one also does come with the warmth and comfort package, which is going to give you front and rear heated and cooled seats. Coming along back, we've got our S550 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, comfort box for extra storage. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a keyless entry, Burmeister sound system, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel, a burl walnut wood trim and steering wheel. Up and in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Also included in the Premium 1 package is going to be navigation, ambient lighting, a rear view backup camera, climate controls, buttons for our infotainment center, touchpad and wheel for the media display, sports and comforts mode. This S550 has 19,019 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S550 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.